Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are just going to look at how to backtest your Forex strategy in MT4. All right. Now, backtesting is one of the most important steps that you can take as a trader. All right. And it can save you from making costly mistakes in the future. So now we're just going to be starting with the basics. Backtesting is the process of applying your trading strategy to historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. All right. The idea is pretty simple. Yeah. If your strategy has shown consistency on past price movements, then it might be worth testing further in live or demo conditions. Now, backtesting also gives you valuable insights into your approach. You will discover whether your rules are clear enough, whether your entry and exit points make sense, and how your strategy holds up under different market conditions. Now, you might be wondering why you should use MT4 for backtesting. Well, MetaTrader 4 or MT4 is one of the most widely used platforms for Forex trading. Okay, and it comes with a built-in strategy tester. You can see that, right? It comes with a built-in strategy tester, which allows you to run your trading strategy on past data. Now, the platform makes it simple to choose a currency pair. All right. You choose a currency pair. You choose a time frame, right? And a specific testing period. So now the strategy tester in MT4 is powerful because it lets you simulate trades based on your strategy rules. This is crucial for understanding how your system might react to market swings, trends, and consolidations. So how do you backtest your Forex strategy in MT4? Let us walk through it step by step. First of all, you open your MT4, you go to the strategy tester. You can see under view, just click on strategy tester. All right. Now, you will find expert advisor or indicator here, right? So you have to select the expert advisor or the script that you want to test. You have to select from here, right? The expert advisor or the scripts that you want to test. If you are backtesting a manual strategy, you can use historical charts by scrolling back, and testing your rules candle by candle. Okay. So now this for the automated systems, right? Now, you choose your currency pair. After choosing your currency pair, you can see just select the currency pair. You choose any pair that fits your trading style. After that, you select the time frame that you want to test. Select the time frame. This could be M15, H1, daily, M30, whatever time frame that it's best for your strategy. Now you set your testing spread, right? You can choose whether you want to use current spread or maybe you want to use a fixed spread, whether 2, 5, 10, 30, 50, 100, right? Let's just work with current spread, and then this is the model. You can actually use everything. Okay, you click on start, right? So keep in mind that the quality of historical data matters. Okay, so once that is done, adjust your modeling settings. The closer the model quality is to 90% or higher, the more accurate your back test will be. All right, so after you click the start button, you just wait for the strategy tester to simulate your trades. All right, when it is complete, you check out the results, such as total trades, win rates, drawdowns, and other important statistics. So this part is just as important as the test itself. All right, so we can see results here, profit and all of that, right? See the report and all. Okay, so did your strategy perform consistently? Did it hold up in trending markets but fail during sideways action? Were your stop loss and take profit levels reasonable? These are some of the questions that you would want an answer to, right? So now, backtesting is not about finding a perfect strategy. It's about identifying strengths and weaknesses, all right? If the results show gaps, you can refine your rules and test again until your strategy feels solid. Now, to sum up, learning how to backtest your Forex strategy in MT4 gives you a huge advantage, right? It helps you validate your trading ideas, spot potential issues, and build confidence before trading live. So if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos where we cover more strategies, tips, and trading insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.